Okay, let me talk about the basics. 6000 dual-sided whetstone, the friendly, you know what you're getting, option from S-House brand. This stone pairs a 1000 grit, work restoration, side with a 6000 grit, polish finish, side, and it ships with a bamboo non-slip base. Basically the same functional package as other dual-sided stones in this price bracket, but often at a slightly lower price thanks to basics positioning. The listing I checked shows it as an economical, no surprises choice. For viewers who want simple guidance, if you want to maintain kitchen knives and occasionally bring a dull blade back to life, the 1000-6000 combo is a perfect match, and basics frequently competes strongly on price and availability. On the user review front, basics gets praise for being consistent, having a reliable fit and finish for an entry-level whetstone, and the base reduces slipping while you practice. A lot of first-time sharpeners like the predictable results and the value math. You don't need to spend $100 plus to get a genuine improvement over factory edges. Downsides: enthusiasts note that the stone material is not quite as dense or long-wearing as premium Japanese stones, which translates to flattening needs over time and occasional slurry management to keep the polish consistent. Also, the instructional material is sometimes thin. Beginners might prefer a short YouTube tutorial to go with the kit. Pros: cheap, practical, and beginner-friendly. Cons: limited longevity under heavy use and not as glass-like in polish as high-end stones. Bottom line: basics gives you excellent bang for buck and is a solid recommendation for anyone starting the whetstone journey. We share by links in description box.